The future of medicine is likely to be influenced by a range of factors, including technological advances, demographic changes, and societal trends. One of the major trends in the future of medicine is likely to be the increased use of personalized medicine, which involves tailoring treatment and prevention strategies to an individual's specific genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. This could involve the use of technologies such as genomics, proteomics, and metabolomics to understand an individual's unique characteristics and to develop targeted therapies and prevention strategies. The use of telemedicine, which involves the delivery of healthcare services remotely through the use of telecommunication technologies, is also likely to increase in the future. This could enable patients to access healthcare services from anywhere, and could potentially reduce costs, improve access to care, and reduce the burden on the healthcare system. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are likely to play an increasingly important role in the future of medicine. These technologies could be used to analyze large amounts of data, such as electronic health records or imaging studies, to identify patterns and make recommendations for diagnosis and treatment. They could also be used to automate certain tasks, such as data entry or image analysis, to improve efficiency and reduce errors. The field of biomedical engineering, which involves the application of engineering principles and technologies to the medical field, is also likely to continue to grow and evolve in the future. This could involve the development of new medical devices and technologies, such as wearable health monitors or implantable devices, as well as the use of 3D printing and other advanced manufacturing techniques to produce custom medical devices and implants. The use of gene editing and gene therapy techniques to modify or repair genetic defects is also likely to become more widespread in the future. These techniques could potentially be used to treat a variety of conditions, including genetic diseases, cancer, and infectious diseases. The field of regenerative medicine, which involves the use of stem cells and other techniques to repair or replace damaged or diseased tissues and organs, is also expected to continue to grow and evolve in the future. This could involve the development of new therapies and technologies to regenerate damaged tissues or organs, as well as the use of 3D printing and other advanced manufacturing techniques to produce custom tissues and organs. The focus on public health and prevention is also likely to continue to grow in the future, as healthcare systems seek to address the underlying determinants of health and prevent the onset of chronic conditions. This could involve the implementation of policies and programs to promote healthy behaviors, such as exercise, healthy eating, and smoking cessation, as well as the development of interventions to address social determinants of health such as poverty, education, and housing. The global health landscape is also likely to continue to evolve in the future, as new health challenges and opportunities emerge. This could involve the emergence of new epidemics, the impact of climate change on health, and the growth of non-communicable diseases such as diabetes and cardiovascular disease in low- and middle-income countries. To address these challenges, it will be important for global health systems to work together to share knowledge, resources, and expertise, and to adopt a more holistic and sustainable approach to health. Overall, the future of medicine is likely to be influenced by a range of technological, demographic, and societal trends, and will require the integration of a variety of approaches and technologies to improve the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of health conditions. By adapting to these changes, the healthcare system can better meet the needs of patients and populations, and contribute to a more sustainable and healthy future. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to support us. See you in our next video.